In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a synced Facebook friend from your game list. If a game is connected to your Facebook account, it may automatically show people from your Facebook friends list inside the game. Sometimes that's helpful, but other times you may want to remove a specific person from that synced list. The important thing to understand is that this is usually done by removing that person from your Facebook friends list, which then affects how they appear in connected games. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device, depending on where you normally access Facebook. Once Chrome is open, go to facebook.com and sign into your account. If you are not already logged in, make sure you're on the main Facebook homepage before moving on, so you can easily access your profile and friend-related settings. Next, navigate to your friends list. On Facebook, this is where you can view the people currently connected to your account as friends. Depending on the version of Facebook you're using, the friends section may appear in slightly different places, but the goal is simply to open the full list of your friends so you can search through it more easily. Once you're in your friends list, look for the search option and enter the name of the player you want to remove. This helps you find the correct person quickly, especially if you have a large number of friends. Take a moment to confirm that you found the right profile before making any changes, since unfriending someone will remove that connection from Facebook itself, not just from the game. After you locate the correct person, click the unfriend option. This will remove them from your Facebook friends list, and as a result, they should also be removed from your synced game list if the game pulls friend data directly from Facebook. In some cases, the game may not update immediately, so if you still see that person in the game afterward, try closing and reopening the game, or giving it a little time to refresh the synced data. That's all you need to do. Just remember that this method affects your Facebook friendship, so only use it if you're comfortable removing that person from Facebook entirely. If your goal is only to hide them in a specific game, you may also want to check whether that game has its own in-game friend or privacy settings.